So guys, she has her new mattress, her new bed foundation, which is just like mine and her dad. She has her new sheets, her bed skirt, her bamboo mattress protector and everything. My baby is 16, so she wants to do it herself. She got a lot of different things from Five Below, and we will be slowly but surely getting this room together, and we will be sharing that. But I will be doing a voiceover because she's actually recording herself. You see her, she's actually recording herself do this, so it's going to be a time lapse of her putting this Ashley's bed together and watching it, you know, blow up, and actually her giving a review of it after she slept on it for a couple weeks. So I'm going to actually about a week or so. Just you really, after sleeping in the bed one or two nights, a couple nights, you could feel if you like it on your back or whatever. So she's going to be in here putting this together, and she went from a twin to a full. Our house isn't huge, so technically I think that that's perfect. I know some adults who actually have, like minimalists, who have like full size beds and queen size beds. So I know full is perfect for her by herself. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. As you know, she painted her own room, and I did share that with you guys when I did that. But yep, she painted her vanity. It's a lot that she got to put away. She got all her plants. Where your other plant? Oh, it's 3 plants over here. Yep, so she's getting her stuff together, and I love it when she figures it out herself and tries to do it herself. It's amazing. Because then mommy can relax until it's time for me to figure out the headboard. We have a couple different sketches, but we haven't figured out what particular design she want to go with. So I guess we're just going to let her lay in it for a little while and fill it out and figure out if she want to keep it against this wall or if she want to put it against the wall she's on. I don't know. Whatever way that makes the room not look so congested is the way that we're going to decide to go. But tell the revivers hello, Naya. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna leave her be. We was gonna do that as her nightstand. That was my stool that I had. We took the cushion off and she had put glass on it, but it's too big. I think she needs like a floating shelf over in that corner right there. So yeah, we shall see, and you guys will see as we go. I'm trying to do recordings where I don't have to really do any editing, so yeah, we shall see. All right guys, later.